I started to say good morning, but it's afternoon. Good afternoon. Um, Beauty is an inside job that radiates out into everything that you do. I always asked my girls, when are you the most beautiful? And the answer was when we act the way that God wants us to. So today, on the 14-day challenge, it is what's called Anti-Authority Day. So the idea is that anyone can do a video and you don't have to be an expert. So we're supposed to do a video on something that we know nothing about. So the first challenge, I did one on Botox. The next one, I did one that was entitled How to Keep Your Cat from Getting an STD, which was about neutering a cat. And the last one I did was 10 ways to look more fashionable. I think maybe there's kind of a theme going on here, but I'm glad that I'm doing a video today that isn't quite so draining or emotional. So I'm going to do how to put on fake eyelashes. Never done this before, so we're gonna do this together. I'm not really somebody who wears makeup. I used to wear a little bit of eyeliner occasionally. There's not any point in that now because it won't stay there. I'll cry it off. So I found these eyelashes. I knew that the girls had some because they wear them sometimes for performances. Not that I had anything to do with putting them on. In fact, the first time that they needed somebody to put makeup on them for a performance, I did it once, and they were like, after that, never mind, Mom, we'll ask somebody else to do it. So I've never done this. I've never even seen it. I kind of thought there might be instructions, and this is what I found. So they've lost a few here. I'm wondering if there was glue here. I actually wondered about that. I thought, oh man, what if I glue these things on my eyes and then I can't get them off? So we're just gonna try and put them on. So I guess I'm gonna just peel it off. Well, that one didn't look too bad. Maybe that one won't be too terrible to get back off. And I have like 0 eyelashes, so, and I know this is gonna look ridiculous. I don't even know which side should go which way. What do you think? The longer on the outside, maybe? Let's see. Okay. So it's really kind of hard when you can't see anyway. Okay, we're just gonna go to the other one. I don't know how people can see like this. All right, take this one off. I don't know, maybe the long one's supposed to be on the inside? I don't know. The sticky part. Oh, turn this way. I can't even turn in the right direction. Wait, other eye. Everything's backwards. On the screen, it's backwards. That's not helpful, probably. I think there's like a glue that they use. Like sometimes they use a glue, but probably depends on what kind of quality your eyelashes are. These are probably from Dollar General. Don't they look beautiful? Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I'm really glad that, actually, honestly, that there wasn't glue. There might have been, that there was supposed to be glue, but I really don't want to get stuck with that on my eyeballs and then not have anything to take it back off with. Yeah, I don't know which way they were supposed to go. I found a website that was called French Kiss Life, but I found this little synopsis that I wanted to read. I watched her walk into the room. With every head turned, the space around us immediately went quiet as she sauntered down the long stairway, similar to a Cinderella-esque movie montage. She filled the room as an audible gasp of air was heard from everyone in her presence. Within minutes, people had gathered around her. Within hours, she had mesmerized and captivated everyone in the room. Catherine, a Parisian friend of mine, was her name. She was not by society's standards your classic beauty. Her face was cute but quirky. She was approaching her 43rd birthday and had some curves in her size 10 dress. She was also the most stunning woman in the room. Why? What did she possess that others didn't? How was she able to enthrall everyone in the room by her presence alone? How could she confidently stand shoulder to shoulder with everyone there? Was she wearing fake eyelashes? It was because she had found the secret. It's simple, really. Beauty is an inside job that radiates out into everything that you do. Shoot me a message if you have ever desired to feel like the most beautiful and confident woman in the room, or wondered what some people have that others don't. These 5 steps will help you feel like the most beautiful and confident woman in the room. Take it easy and really digest the steps. And above all, remember that beauty comes from within, and that in order for the world to see how lovely and sensational that you are, you must feel that way for yourself. So above all, remember this. There is room for every woman in the room to be the most beautiful. So shoot me a message if you would like those tips.